Hi, my name's Kristian Jones. I'm the Territory Manager in Bondi for Navali Bathrooms. I chose to live in Bondi in 2003 after living overseas for many years, and all my life besides that been a Sydney-sider, and I just love it around here. Just the ocean, the smell in the air, the beautiful and friendly people that are around here from all over the world. It's just an eclectic mix of amazing people. I've been in the construction industry now for over 17 years. I've gone from being a tradie, in fact I'm a carpenter by trade, through to being a site manager, site foreman, work health and safety advisor, and a project and territory manager now. And in that time I've literally seen the very good and the very bad of the industry. I've gone from Tier 1 construction through to Tier 4 construction, but what I really love the most is residential construction. I really get a lot of satisfaction out of working with the client on their most beloved possession, which is their home. For most people, a home is more than just four walls and a roof. It's a really emotional attachment to them. So whenever I can make that difference to them and I can make a space for them that's long lasting, where they're going to build family memories, joy, love, and just have an amazing experience in that house and keep those memories for a long time, it really, really makes me happy to see that I've created that for them. I love that I can't leave my place without immediately running into friends and locals everywhere. A 5-minute trip to Neo and Tony's is always a half an hour trip, having spontaneous conversations with people I know along the way. You'll always find me having a beer down at North Bondi RSL Club and eating breakfast down at Trio to having dinner at China Diner and then dessert at Messina. The reason I decided to partner with Navali Bathrooms came down to several different factors, and amongst the highest of those was their professionalism. Their expertise in the bathroom space is second to none, along with their commitment to quality and absolute dedication to customer satisfaction. Navali have literally spent years systemising the bathroom renovation process, ensuring a swift turnaround time to limit the disruption to the client, which is minimal. In fact, we normally do a bathroom in generally about 2 or 3 weeks. And lastly, the biggest reason why I'm with Navali is one simple word that's really hard to get in this world, and that's called integrity. Navali do what they say they're going to do. They do it when they say that they are going to do it. And they do it to the highest possible quality standards that there is. This is the reason why I'm with Navali. It aligns with my values as well of having high integrity. And unfortunately, this is something that's very lacking in the rest of the construction industry. So think of us next time that you want to get your bathroom renovated, to do it with someone with an integrous nature who will go the extra mile to ensuring your absolute satisfaction.